It's tax time. Let's get to some common sense with Craig Bolanos, the co-founder and wealth manager at VestGen, here to tell us what we need to know. Craig, what are some key tax changes that affect American taxpayers?
Well, Angela, I mean, big picture, that 2025 tax law that got passed on July 4th brought in all sorts of changes. The first one I think about is the higher standard deduction. And that higher standard deduction of nearly $16,000 for a single filer, some $31,000 for joint filers means even fewer people are going to be itemizing, but those bigger standard deductions usher in all sorts of savings for Americans. And don't forget all those families that are out there who love those child tax credits. They ended up getting $200 sweeter. And of course, once you're Medicare eligible, it was big news. There's a $6,000 senior bonus.
What about small business owners or people who take on side jobs?
Well, I think it's really important. I mean, at least we have clarity now. You know, the dreaded 1099K, this idea that you're going to be reporting that side income for as little as $600, no more. We're back to where we used to be, which is $20,000 or 200 transactions for all the people who are selling or retailing online. And for the small business owner, everyone's really excited that we have what I call accelerated 100% bonus depreciation for equipment that was put into use after January 19th, 2025. That's good because capital expenditure is the heart and soul of small to medium-sized businesses all across this country.
There are fewer people working at the IRS. What will this mean for taxpayers?
Well, I think one of the things people need to know is if you want to call the taxing authorities, specifically the Internal Revenue Service, probably expect longer hold times, longer delays. Like so many government agencies, shutdowns didn't help. Changes in government structure and manpower didn't help. And patience is going to be key. So I encourage people just to be patient when dealing with the taxing authorities this time of year. But I think the most important message, Angie, that I want to get out to all of your viewing audience is if you aren't working with a credible tax professional, if you're not getting a second opinion on your taxes, this is the year to get that done. Because while the changes might not seem insignificant, there's so many people that are guilty of simply importing last year's data into the current year. And there's enough sizable and significant changes that I think there are going to be some people who want to run the math and get professional advice. If you want to learn more, you absolutely can and you should. Connect with us online at getretiredstayretired.com. That's getretiredstayretired.com.